Welcome to channel 5 stars. In this video I'll be reviewing Novation Impulse 61 USB MIDI controller keyboard. First of all I'll say that I'm happy with this controller. I do not use it with a computer, so I can't comment on the auto map or any other computer oriented features, but simply on how it works alongside various synths. Physically it is plastic, but feels fairly robust. The ports are fairly sturdy and nothing feels in danger of breaking. The encoders work well and the faders seem smooth enough. The modern pitch bend will also feel reasonable. Overall it feels as robust as you'd expect for the price without being tremendously heavy. The drum pads work quite nicely and deliver velocity and pressure. The keys can be a little clacky and the channel pressure, aka aftertouch, requires quite a lot of force to trigger, depending where on the keyboard you are applying it, but it is serviceable. As for deficiencies, being USB powered is convenient, but it has two problems. First of all, when you are using it with synths, you need a separate USB power brick in any case. Secondly, the power provided to the MIDI DIN ports is insufficient to power some bus-powered devices, such as my 4X MIDI through. In contrast, my synths with AC adapters do. It also doesn't have a MIDI through port, which can be convenient in some setups. I know it's less important on a controller, but still. I also find the single MIDI in and out ports to be a little restrictive too. 2 MIDI outs would have been nice. It is also a slight frustration that a few of the buttons cannot be configured and are only usable with the computer in AutoMap. We are a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means for us to earn fees by linking to Amazon.com and affiliated sites.